as you guys would have seen, it came in a box. That was the prequel, which was about as much as I was going to do regarding the assembly. The assembly was actually quite straightforward, and frankly, this chair is so far doing me justice. I wish one thing about it is that the 4D armrests were lockable in every sense of the fashion, but they're only lockable in certain aspects and they're free flowing in others. So you have to sort of be in a good position, ergonomically speaking, to take advantage of it. Otherwise, if you're sort of like a free baller and you like to move around a lot, you're going to find that that stuff's going to sort of swivel around. Without a moment's longer procrastination, we're going to give you a rundown and a proper look at the chair. So I'm going to stand up for starters. Okay, so just giving you a once over on the chair. Here she is right here in all her glory. We shall twist her around, and there she is. She weighs approximately about 25 kilos. I've got the armrests set out. They're 4D armrests, so they'll go back and forward as well as click in and out, as well as up and down. Okay, so I've currently got them set up for a position which suits my liking when I'm sitting down at the desk per se and working on things. As you can see, the lumbar support at the back side here, which also can be adjusted with 2 notches, so that the bottom side lumbar support over here is as high or as low as it needs to be pertaining to your lumbar region. And then up here we've got the additional headrest, which can also be adjusted ever so slightly. So obviously she goes up and down, and she's chrome on the bottom. Also, just for the conscientious, it is recycled steel, and I believe this knob here, I'm not 100% sure, but it softens or loosens the mesh here. The only drawback is I wish this was a cushion rather than mesh. I'm worried about the longevity of it, but it's got a 3-year warranty attached. For the price though, we'll have a look at it and we'll get back into my final verdicts on it, but that's just a quick rundown of the new chair. So as you guys can see, for the time being, it seems to be suiting me well. I've only sat in it for a couple of hours now. Honestly, hopefully it does sort of protrude your, if you don't have the right height set up, it does cause your knees to have a little bit more pressure on them because you're facing downwards. But as soon as you sit back and you push in as if you were to be riding and working for long periods of time, that's when the benefits start to take play. If we have a look at this, is exactly where I got it from, Temple & Webster. And unfortunately they've got a grey color one. I did not pay $6.99. I got it with a discount plus also free delivery. So look out for the specials which are involved in this. I won't say exactly how much I paid for it. 10% off site wide currently if you spend over $149, ends Thursday. But if you go back to their other chairs, this is the one I wanted to get, which was upholstered, but it turns out that this isn't padded anyway, it's just upholstered. And these are, from my understanding, pre-order, leaves warehouse in 2 to 3 weeks. And then there's a version of this which has a leather seat for the same price. Okay, otherwise you can get, from my understanding, the full version of this chair in complete leather, as you can see here, for $749, and that's without any sorts. And you can use Afterpay of $187.25. Expect about a $35 delivery fee though, and look out for specials. It's like, if like for example now 10% off one, Temple & Webster, you can't go wrong. And I'm hoping that it's only got a 3-year warranty attached to it, but I hope it does me justice for a longer period of time than that. So that's been my short review on unboxing of this chair. I hope you guys got something out of it, and think I think, you know, it wasn't too hard, like I said, to to mount together. It's very big back package when it arrives, understand that. So it's only realistically about 6 screws you have to worry about, and providing you don't start to thread up on them, they should be sturdy enough, and you get a couple of spares just in case. So Seb Luca at the Technics Corner, peace out, y'all.